today I'm going to show you that I'm reviewing this one biscuit. I don't know, but I'm just going to review this candy. I don't know if it's candy or a biscuit, so let's get started the video. Let's start it in this. Just a bit. So yeah, guys, it is like cheese. It smells like cheese. I don't know if it's real cheese. So yeah, let's start it. It's good. It tastes good. Yeah. I love cheese. Advance Merry Christmas. Yeah, like it. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Bye.